Hey guys, today we're going to discuss about the rest and the spread operator. I've got a simple example over here where I have an array with three values and a function which accepts three parameters and a label and adds it and displays the whole result. And we're calling it here. Let's just run this example and see what the result is. Pretty much straightforward. Its answer is 6, and we are passing every value one by one with its index, which could be painful. Let's say if we have 20 values in this array, passing it like this would be an option. Although there could be a lot of solutions to this, but I'd recommend to use the rest in the spread operator. Let's see the same example using that. And here's the same example. Oh, we'll have a look at this later once you understand this example. So this is the same example that we saw in an rest and spread way. So we have the same array 1, 2, 3, and instead of taking every value one by one, the function signature says that the rest of the values are here. That's why we don't sort of name it as the rest operator. But in order to call this, we also have to specify where are all of the values. So we can use the spread operator in that context, and you can say all of the values which are 1, 2, 3 are spread over this variable. So 1, 2, 3 will be here, and then the function will find all of the rest of the values here. And then you can iterate over it and get the result. Let's just run the same example again and see what we get. So this is our example. Oops, that's not the one that we want. Let's clear it out again. And let's just see what's our result. The answer is 6. Let's just ignore these values for now, but the answer is 6. That is what we want. So that's one usage of the rest and the spread operator where we can very easily accommodate values and pass it to functions. Now the second operation is an interesting one. Let's say if we have an object with, in this case there are two attributes, and let's just understand this example for now. So we have two attributes, and now I want to assign this object to another object, but let's say I want to change this value. Now the scenario is I want all of the attributes to be the same instead of one attribute. And you guys, if you guys have worked with JavaScript, you know that either you have to copy paste this thing, or what you can do is assign it like this using object.assign and then manually change this value. But we can also use rest and spread operator over here. So what I'm trying to say is we're going to use the spread operator here again, and this is our whole object. All of the attributes are here, but one of it, which is the sum attribute 2, is now changed and is customized, and that is why we saw the values as 1 and 3. So the attribute value is, the attribute 1 value is 1, which was specified by this syntax, and then the sum attribute 2 value was initially 2, but now it's 3 since we customized it. And that is how it's working. So please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. I really appreciate it. Thanks.